Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. WhatsApp has launched a new feature called WhatsApp Channel. Step 1. Understand your WhatsApp channel. WhatsApp channel provides you a personal means of communication and it's an excellent tool for affiliate marketing. I'll tell you why it's an excellent tool because you can send multiple messages to multiple recipients, alright, at one single go. Just think about the kind of traffic that you're trying to bring in. Just imagine the kind of eyeballs you get for the content you have posted. Step 2. Choose your niche. Choose a niche that aligns with your interest and expertise. This helps you to create engaging content. Step 3. Build your contact list. Ensure you collect their phone numbers and other necessary informations and make sure you abide by the data privacy policy protection regulation. Encourage people to opt into your WhatsApp channel and also do promote your channel on different websites and other social media platforms. Step 4. Create valuable content. Develop a content strategy. Plan a content which will educate, entertain, and solve the problem of your targeted audience. You can also integrate your affiliate products in the content. Step 5. Engage actively. Two-way communication. Communication is very important in the business. Reply to the messages, comments, and add a personalization note. When you are reaching out to the customers, add their names and make the content very much specific to them. Step 6. Share affiliate links. Include affiliate links in your content and also try using URL shorteners. Step 7. Run promotion and contests. Organize promotion, contests and giveaways. This adds value to you, and by adding value, you start building credibility. Step 8. Monitor and analyze. Utilize metrics and analytics to understand the performance of your WhatsApp channel, measure CTR, open through rate and engagement, and use data insights to refine your content. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share and like.